So I guess the way it turned out, we could not get the boat in because the wind was coming from the side that pushed the stern out, and we were unable, after 4 attempts, to get the boat onto the cart that took us up into the dry dock. So since they are not pulling out boats every day of the week, just Monday through Wednesday, and today is Tuesday, tomorrow's just as bad as it is today, just as windy, so we are going to try on Monday to get the boat out and give it a shot then.